Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Apple's smartwatch Apple Watch Series 6. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new gadgets. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the watch. The watch has network mode GSM, HSPA, LTE, and the watch has memory space of 32GB with 1GB of RAM. The watch is coming to the market with 3 colors, and the 3 colors are silver, graphite, gold. Display has Retina LTPO OLED 1000 nits. Display size is 1.78 inches, 60% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the watch is 1.73 into 1.50 into 0.41 inches. The watch will weigh 47.1 gram. The watch has watch OS 7.0 operating system and chipset Apple S6. The CPU is getting dual core. Here you get the sensor are accelerometer, gyro, heart rate 2nd generation, barometer, always on altimeter, compass, SpO2, VO2 max. The watch battery lithium ion 303.8 mAh non-removable. You get EC in the watch. There is a loudspeaker for sound but no 3.5mm jack for audio output. So friends, this is the official specifications of today's Apple Watch Series 6 model. For those who want a good watch from Apple, you can take it without any hesitation. It will launch in market very soon, and I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well, goodbye.